Such a fascinating bug. It's weird. That's cool. From its perspective, I wonder. Let's see what it does if it does it again. It just like it puts its like legs up at us. Look at those ants. They're also fascinating. Now, watch. I'm gonna blow onto this. Look, he's like stuck to it. Can you like step on or something? Bella. Look at it. It's so fascinating. Yep. Where are the ants going? Better not be going on this. I don't want to squish it because I've also seen it. It looks like it's dead. But it's probably playing dead, so. Bye!